Hello everybody! I am working with freshly washed hair. I let them dry overnight into two little pigtails. And right now I'm working on my new container of Cantu leave-in conditioner since my other one finished, as you can see in the clip to the left. Gonna just lather this all through my hair, covering every last strand. I've said this in other videos and I'll say it again. My hair absolutely loves this stuff. So, the last hairstyle video I did, I had my hair in two pigtails, like so, which I felt was quite cute. However, a number of folks were like, do you have something, I don't know, maybe less childish? You know what, I'll give this my best shot. At the end of the video, let me know what you think in the comments, okay? So, first things first, I am not the best parter, so my lines are gonna be crooked. If you've been following me for a while, I've complained in other videos that I suck at this. I've complained my entire life that I wasn't blessed to be able to part straight. But if you're like me and you're not good at parting, this hairstyle may be just what the doctor ordered. Honestly, I'm trying my best here. So anyway, I just parted my hair into 3 different sections in the front area, and now I'm just going to do 2-strand twists across the front portion that I just separated. I'm doing 2 really large 2-strand twists on this side. And here I'm just separating a little bit of hair for, I guess, just a little drop curl when I'm finished. And now you gotta make sure to detangle everything thoroughly before you start your twists. Don't want any snags as you're going down, since that usually slows up the progress. And once those 2 twists are done, we start working on the middle section here. I just separate them into two little parts. And then I start my twists. I do 4 little twisties across the front portion of my head here, and I do 4 more on the second row. These twists aren't perfect, they're just kind of there for me to maneuver my styles later. You'll see. Then I tie my hair up to keep it out of the way, and I'm going in with my Eco Style gel to do the other side of my head. This side I decided not to do 2-strand twists for. I wanted to do a flat twist. Again, detangle the best you can. And once that's done, I begin to twist my hair in a flat twist. Don't forget to take out a little bit of hair on the side for your drop curl later. For the back portion, I'm still going to keep my hair separated into 2. Detangle and secure with a hair tie. Then I do a 2-strand twist on the ends of my hair here. Next, I simply wrap my flat twist around the base of my pigtail, and I secure it with another hair tie. Do the same on the other side. Detangle and put it in a ponytail. Okay, so my little baby hair / drop curls here, this is what my hair does naturally. It just shrinks like nobody's business. I like to keep my length, so I found an ingenious way to do this, guys. Hopefully you try it. So I get some gel, right? And it immediately starts shrinking. What I do is I put gel on both of them and then I twist them underneath my chin here and I let them sit while I finish the rest of my hair. And believe it or not, they will be nice and stretched out by the time I'm done, and they look like my true length. So I just grabbed the 2 twists on the side of my head here and I wrap that around my ponytail. I'm gonna start working on my edges. This part's optional. If you like to do your edges, you can just get some gel or whatever edge control you use and lay your stuff down right now. Also, I'm doing this in real time. This is how I would do my hair if I'm going out, because I was going somewhere today. After I'm done tying my scarf on, I go ahead and secure my hair into little buns on the back end. And usually after about 10 minutes, that's when I remove my scarf and my edges are set. And now I'm ready for styling. Let's not forget to unravel our drop curls, and this is what they look like, stretched out and nice. And to achieve a more mature look, as opposed to my cute little piggies, I'm gonna flat twist my hair just loosely and wrap that around the bun here. And yes, I'm adding a very loose hair tie to make sure that's all secured and laid down. And this is the finished look for somebody who doesn't want to look, a little juvenile. You want to look a little older with your pigtails. I think lower pigtails generally make you look, less kid-like. And it helps that you can always flip your bangs to one side. If your preference is left or right, you can always just flip it. And this is indeed the look, you all. If you're looking for a more adult way to wear buns, the space buns kind of look, I think lower buns work. And I think it's also great to add a little, spice to the look. This is me being spicy. I'm just wrapping some of those twists into the buns. And I went ahead and added 2 little antler bangs in the front. Not sure what to call them. Oh, and if you get tired of this look, you could switch it up a little bit more. Do a low bun here. You just get some of your twists, put them into your bun, wrap it around, and have a low bun look. Very simple, very quick. This could be a different variation for another day throughout the week. Let's say you've already made it to Wednesday and you're tired of your hair. You can put it up into either a pony puff or just a regular sloppy bun at the top of your head. So the 2-strand twist kind of look has a tendency to get a little bit fuzzy, so you will most likely have to retouch in about 3 days or so. But retouching twists doesn't really take long, so it'll work for even the laziest natural, just saying. And because I am me, I decided I'm gonna do my cute little Mickey Mouse buns because I love them. That's just me. I'm obsessed with this kind of look. It works for my face, I don't know. So I am always gonna fall back on these. I'll probably be 65 years old, still rocking them. Grandbaby's gonna be asking, "Grandmama, why your hair look like mine?" And my response will be, "Mind your business, baby. Eat your greens." Anyway, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Bye.